Welcome to our video on building a strong romantic relationship. Get ready to discover 7 essential habits that can help you create a more fulfilling and loving connection with your partner. Physical intimacy is a vital aspect of any romantic relationship. It's about expressing love, care, and support through affectionate gestures like hugging, kissing, and holding hands. Strengthen your bond by embracing physical intimacy. Open communication is the key to a successful relationship. By actively listening and sharing your thoughts and feelings, you can deepen your understanding of each other and build a stronger connection. Practice open communication for a healthier relationship. Finding new ways to connect is essential in keeping your relationship fresh and exciting. Explore new hobbies, go on adventures together, and have meaningful conversations. Discover the joy of connecting on a deeper level. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but it's how you handle them that matters. Learn effective conflict resolution strategies to fix fights and prevent future quarrels. Strengthen your bond by resolving conflicts together. Compliments are powerful in a romantic relationship. Take the time to express admiration and appreciation for your partner. By giving compliments, you can boost their self-esteem and create a more loving and supportive environment. Laughter is the best medicine for a happy relationship. Share lighthearted moments, jokes, and funny experiences with your partner. Find joy in each other's company and create lasting memories filled with laughter. Talking about the future is a sign of commitment and love. Discuss your shared goals, dreams, and aspirations. By having open conversations about the future, you can strengthen your bond and build a solid foundation for your relationship. In conclusion, building a strong romantic relationship requires effort and dedication. Remember to engage in physical intimacy, practice open communication, find new ways to connect, resolve fights, give compliments, share laughter, and talk about the future. Apply these habits to create a more fulfilling and loving relationship with your partner.